How's it going, my boys and girls? Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we have a beautiful, probably the best Nike SB pair to be reviewed on this channel so far. I would say maybe this year at least. One of the best Nike SBs to be reviewed. First and foremost, this content that you are seeing right now is being shared with you for educational purposes, for view content only, not for promotional purposes. If you guys want to cop any of these, you guys have the links on the description as always. But be advised, I'm not incentivizing no one to do anything. It's just for pure informational and visual content only. So you do you. I want to tell you guys straightforward, this is the best pair of SBs of the year. As you guys can see, and as you guys have been seen by the title, the FUTURA SBs. I'm going to show what we have today. This pair has been sent by Lgrose. Links will be on the description. You guys can see the box comes a little bit damaged. Please spare the guy because 90% of the packages will come correct. This time I think the courier went crazy and just smashed the whole box. But going straight forward, the box is correct. It's an SB box, Nike SB box. Inside we have the FUTURA, that's what matters, and they come intact and correct. We have the regular SB paper right here. That's what you will receive. That's what is supposed to come as a one-to-one box, as a one-to-one experience. That's going to be the box, and you have the tag right here. You guys can check it. Bleached aqua geode teal white. So these are the FUTURA Nike SBs, and bro, this is the pair of the year for me in terms of SBs. Of course, there's a lot to come out still. There's a lot going on still, but these are a must so far for 2024. We have the signature at the top, FUTURA with Nike SB, and the logo. This is made of some sort of leather material, very nice material. We have a red stitch right here, both for the same, they don't change. And as you guys can see, everything is correct, everything is on place. We don't have like something misplaced, which is supposed to be like this. In terms of release, bro, this is beautiful. In the beginning of the times that I saw images going around for this collaboration, I thought I didn't like it at all in the beginning, but then it started getting into me, and now I think it's one of the best releases so far this year. I think it's one of those pairs that in the beginning either you love it or you hate it, and I hated it. Gotta be honest with you, but right now it got me because you have the colors, you have the vibes, you have the details. Is one of the best pairs out there, to be honest. And I think most of you either liked, loved, or hated it in the beginning. And the other 50% really loved it. For me, it's a must pair right now. I really enjoy it. I think it's one of those pairs that just got me with time. It's a one-on-one pair, as you guys can see. If you know the retail pair, if you have the retail pair, please comment. Let me know if you see any differences. We have this kind of, it's not even suede. It's like a textile material right here, like a cloth. It's very soft. We have the cloth material here at the top, at the side. Overall, the shoe is made out of all of this material, except for this part right here, which is made of a very strong carpet kind of material, which is very strong overall. And I love the fact that the laces are 50-50 colored. Usually this is something that you do having two different laces. They made it with one split lace, the teal and blue kind of violet color. I love the violet purplish vibes on these and the bluish vibes as well. We have the gel bottoms with the signature, if you guys didn't saw it, signature FUTURA with the Nike logo on the bottom, as well as the other pair, both signed. It also comes with these extra laces, which I actually think fit very nice on the shoe, because we have these purple vibes on the shoe itself, but these are my favorite, the ones that come with the shoe. They kind of contrast properly with the darker red and orange tones right here. On the back we have the regular Nike logo, this time not embroidered. It's made out of a plastic material, like a leather kind of material, but I think it's like plastic more than leather. Is embossed and is printed. Very, very nice shoes. If you guys want to copy it, you already know the links will be on my bio. For educational purposes only, you do you already know I don't incentivize anything, but bro, everything comes on place. one-to-one with the signatures from FUTURA on the inside as well. FUTURA, FL, FUTURA Laboratories right there. And we have the FL on the side as well, on a printed kind of material. Bro, for me, this is a one-on-one and a must. If you guys want to copy it, you already know. Lgrose, it won't fail, it won't last long. 5 to 7 to 10 days max shipped, depends on where you're living. So if you guys did like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. My name is Raptor. I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace.